Hi guys, MacBook 2159, MacBook Pro with the damaged screen. We already opened up the back glass, the back cover. Okay, 2159 space gray color. Need to change the display. So what need to be done is, when you take out the back cover, these covers need to be removed. Okay, these covers need to be removed underneath the hinges. First and foremost, disconnect the battery. That's the one connection, and there's the other connection for the battery. Disconnect that. Then after, many screws need to be open. These need to be open. These need to be open up from here. These need to be open. These screws need to be open. These screws and these screws need to be open. And 1, 2, 3, 4. These screws need to be open. And also you have to unplug the Wi-Fi cable, which is right here. Okay. Once you open up all these screws, and remove the Wi-Fi antenna, remove the screen, and install the new screen. Okay, so we're going to do it, and then we're going to show you the finished product. Thank you for watching. So the broken screen has been replaced with the entire screen assembly installed on the broken one. Here it is, beautiful, nice, clean, fully tested, everything tested, Wi-Fi, battery charging, everything is great. Okay. $2159, good to go. This one takes about 40 minutes to 1 hour to replace the entire screen. Thank you for watching. Future Gadgets, Richmond Hill. Thank you so much.